Welcome back to Business Consulting. Today we have brought you another financial model. This one is dropshipping Excel financial model. As you can see over here, it includes the input sheet, revenue analysis, marketing budget, startup summary, financial statements, financial analysis, CAC-CLV analysis, worksheet, and dashboard. Coming towards the how to use, if you see over here, the peach cells indicates the input cells, whereas the gray cells are the formula cells. And light gray fonts are the helping cells. This model will be going up to will be forecasted up to 60 months of assumptions with relevance to assumptions, costs, expenses, and other revenue related information. Then coming towards the input sheet includes all the assumptions which are relevant to this model, such as funding assumptions, revenue and cost assumptions, customer and marketing budget assumptions, as well as capex and opex assumption, and working capital assumptions. Coming towards the revenue analysis gives you the overall analysis about the customers, data being acquired by the business, and the revenue generated from them, and the cost of service or cost of goods sold that is being incurred. Then comes the marketing budget. The marketing budget, as you can see over here, gives you the overall cost for the business in the coming months from the digital marketing expenses. Then comes the startup summary. The startup summary over here, as you can see, includes the summary about the first year of the business. It gives you the total fundings, total expenses of the business in the first year. It also gives you the total assets, total liabilities, and total capitals of the business in the first year. It also tells you about the additional funding that would be required by the business in its first year. Then comes the financial statements. The financial statements includes the three main financial statements, which are the income statement. This tells you about the total net income generated by the business. It is based on yearly and monthly basis. Then comes the cash flow statement, which tells you about the cash inflows and outflows of the business from its operations, investments, and financings. Then comes the balance sheet. The balance sheet tells you about the business total assets, its total liabilities, and total equities, and compares them and gives you a balanced amount, as you can see over here. Then comes the financial analysis. The financial analysis includes the break-even sales. It also includes the company valuation. The break-even sale gives you the break-even analysis gives you the break-even sales, whereas the company valuation gives you the WACC, weighted average cost of capital, as well as the company's expected equity percentage that they can offer to the investors. It also gives you the NPV and IRR of the business, burn rate, and the minimum investment that would be required. Then comes the sensitivity analysis. The sensitivity analysis basically goes up to 3 different scenarios: actual, optimistic, and pessimistic, and gives the overall payback period of the business in these 3 different scenarios. Then comes the KPIs and ratios, which tells you about the profitability ratios, liquidity ratios, solvency ratios, and efficiency ratios. These ratios are usable in making financial decisions. Coming towards the CAC-CLV analysis, this gives you the overall customer acquisition cost and customer lifetime value of the business and compares them both. Then comes the working capital. This includes all the relevant information or calculations that have been used in the financial statements, such as employee payroll, operating expenses, depreciation schedule, loan schedule, and working capital. As you can see over here, it includes everything. Then comes the dashboard. The dashboard includes the graphical context of all the previous things that we have discussed, as you can see over here. It also includes the main KPIs of the business, which helps in making the financial decisions much more smoothly and quickly as quickly as possible. That's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe us.